What's up guys, Hydroid here. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to run a check disk and quickly check for corrupted files on your system. So, the first step is go to your search bar, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, and then for the first part, type in sfc/scannow. And this will take a few minutes depending on how fast your system is, but while that's scanning, go to your File Explorer, and then once you click on this PC, make sure to note which is your Windows drive. You can see the icon. This will be important later. I'll also have all these commands in the video description below. Alright, once that's done, you're going to get one of 3 paragraphs or whatever. This one, where you found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Where you found corrupt files but couldn't repair them. And where it found nothing. But even if you get any of those 3, especially if you get like the second one where you found corrupt files but couldn't repair them, you're going to want to do step 2, which is you're going to want to type in DISM/online/cleanup image and /restorehealth. Wait for that to run. Once that finishes, you should see something like this. If not, then hopefully the check disk and error check will help. So once you do that, you're going to want to run an sfc scannow again. Once that finishes, hopefully it should say did not find any integrity violations. If it does, and this happens again, then I guess you could do this again and do that. So once you're done with this, you're going to want to go to the C drive, or whatever drive you have as your Windows one. Right click, Properties, Tools, and then hit check. Scan drive, if it says that. Alright. It'll say one of 2 things. Either this, Windows has successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found, or it'll say errors were found and they're fixed, or errors were found and they weren't fixed. So, it's still sometimes a good idea to do this. Type in chkdsk, the drive that you have, or your Windows drive, /F and /R. Hit enter. And then it's going to say you cannot run because you're using your computer right now, so hit Y. And then the next time your system restarts, or if you go and restart your system right now, it's going to run the check disk, and it should look something like on your screen. And I can't record it, so I'm not going to do it right here, but hopefully, if you do all these steps, corrupted files and errors on your hard drive and your system should be gone. So thanks for watching. This is Hydroid. Peace out.